Hi John, sorry to hear about the problem with your Candy Tumble Dryer. I'm actually traveling at the moment, so I'm not in the workshop. But what I have done for you, because I'm working out of my camper at the moment, going to the IFA show in Berlin, your model number, which is a GVS C9DCG-80, I've managed to get you not only the wiring diagram, but the technical manual that shows you all the error codes as well. And in there you will actually see on the exploded diagram on the second picture, I think it's 443-1017 may be the sensor you're looking for. You can do an ohms check on the actual sensor, but what I would also be looking at is the two wires going to the sensor. Follow them back all the way to the circuit board. Sometimes these can get chaffed. When I say chaffed, the wire may be damaged and therefore you may be getting a false reading. But you'll be able to do a test on the NTC sensor, and I've created the page for you and added additional videos to assist you. So it's in the description below. Excuse me. I hope this helps you. Have a good day, mate. I have created you an FAQ page specifically with all the wiring diagrams, workshop manual that includes error codes, diagnostic procedure, and explaining every component. But there's also videos on the page to assist you. If you or anyone else needs help, fill out the contact us form on the website. Make sure you give us your full model number and serial number, but most importantly, make sure you leave us a detailed description of the fault. Better still, why don't you upload a video to YouTube, send me the link, I'll be able to have a look at the problem and then be able to help you better. Making this page for you took me a while, so please remember to support the website by giving us a thumbs up on our YouTube channel and subscribing, and also sharing the channel to your friends and family. Please remember to support the website by buying the parts off us, and if we really helped you, you can always donate to the website by clicking on the Buy Paul Revere page. Thanks very much indeed for watching.